we're floating right now. If we didn't have boardwalks here, we'd be probably chest high or even swimming, because once you step on the land, it breaks off and it can't heal back. It's a really bad situation out here.
I've been here for 26 years, and I remember it used to be so far, and I can't believe, the water is eating the land so fast,
When I first heard that global warming, I thought it was not going to affect the village, but it did. The land is sinking. It's not just eroding. The ice is melting fast. It's coming in towards the village.
Look at the poor building we're sitting here. It's sinking. It's, everything is deteriorating. The boardwalks, the schools, everything is deteriorating.
Pretty soon we have to relocate because the erosion is not gonna stop at anything. At one time they built a barrier to stop the erosion, but that didn't work. So it's all gone now. And it's creeping up to our doorstep.
When they did a study, they said that it's best to move the village rather than try to stop the erosion that was happening.
The river is getting closer each year. That's when they start thinking about relocating the village. And to this day, it never happened.
We're struggling, I'm really frustrated.
Ja utakaya kakukut muwas kam toistaanut sohtuni uitauitsekat uskam kriumjorneerut kaunani. Taanut uitauiskapikna upakum.
You know what? I thought about moving out somewhere because I thought it would never happen, but I have hope now, I'm just gonna stay here instead of moving to somewhere else. I'd rather stay close to my family.
I believe it's going to be much easier, especially for the health of the community. The village will be safe, just in case the big flood or high winds come.
The motivation is the family together. I don't want to separate our family. The cultural and traditional is so strong here that we were born here. We want to stick with our subsistence lifestyle. We know the country, and this is our land.